Hello everybody, welcome back to Threads, Knots and Love. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a basic rose, okay? You can use any kind of yarn to make this. You can use a acrylic yarn, you can use woolen yarn. I have tried these with the cotton yarn, which is a 3-ply twisted cotton yarn. And for this, I had used hook size 3.5 mm. And I even tested it with a 6-ply fine cotton, गुलेरा कॉटन जिसको हम बोलते हैं, उससे ट्राई किया है मैंने. एंड इसमें मैंने यूज़ किया है, आई हैव यूज्ड अ 3 mm hook for this one. And you can see the look of both are different, a little different, but both are very, very pretty pieces. And I will teach you how to make these gorgeous pieces in less than 30 minutes. They are very easy. There are no glue patterns, and you just have to sew the ends in the once you finish the project. Okay, so for that you will be needing one tapestry needle. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use this kind of yarn, that is a 3-ply twisted yarn from Vardhaman, and this is how I'll be making it in yellow color today. Okay, so this is how our yarn looks. You can use any kind of yarn and you can use the commensurate hook size. So chaliye, let's start our project for the day. So for this, we are going to start with a slip knot and then chain 66. So if you don't know how to make a chain, you can go and have a look at my previous videos. I have shown in detail. Now let's start the chain, like 1, 2, 3. You can pause the video and I will see you at chain 66. Okay. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So here I have got a chain 66 with me. Okay, so this I have chained 66 stitches and chains, and now this loop on my hook doesn't count as a chain. Okay, so it's 66 till here. Now from the sixth chain from the hook, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth chain from the hook, we will make a double crochet. Okay, so 1 double crochet, and this will be our first V. Now it is not very evident, but as we go along the chain, it will become more and more clear. Okay, so this is our first V. Now we skip 2 chains, and in the third chain make 1 double crochet, then chain 2 and make another double crochet. Okay, again I'll show you one more time. Skip 2 chains. In the third chain, make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and make 1 more double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, our V's have started forming. So this is what we are doing in this row. Okay, so continue till the end and I'll see you here at the end. Okay. Okay, so we are almost at the end of our V, and this is the second last one. Double crochet, chain 2, and in the same stitch 1 more double crochet, and the last one, leave 2 stitches. In the last stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the last. All right, so this is how our V's should look like somewhat. Okay, and now let's move on to the next row. Chain 2 and turn your work. Okay, now as you can see, we have got these nice little V's here. V here, then here, then here. Okay, so we will be making our next row in these V structures. So this chain 2 counts as our first double crochet. Do one more double crochet in this V, then chain 3 and 2 double crochet again in the same V. Okay, so this will give you nice space to make your petals in the next row. Okay, so we are just building structure here right now, and in the next row we will be doing the petals. So nothing here in the space. In the next weave, without making any more chain stitches or anything, directly we are going to make 2 double crochet in the next weave. Okay, so make 2 double crochet. Now chain 3 and make 2 more double crochet in the same V space. So it should look something like this. Now you have to continue all the way till the end, and I will see you somewhere here. Alright, so now you can see I have reached almost the end of this row, and we in this last here we will make again 2 double crochet followed by 3 chains. And then 2 more double crochet to end this row. Okay. By this time your project should look all twirly and like so. Okay, this is how you want it exactly, so don't worry if it is twirling up a bit. Chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, now for this row we will be working in both these 3 chain spaces, as well as we will be making 1 single crochet as we go in these middle spaces here. Okay, so in each of these 3 chain spaces we need to make 7 double crochet. So what is the pattern now is 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet, like that. I'll show you one and then we will meet at the end of this row again. Okay, so yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. All right, so 7 double crochets are ready. Now in this space between the 3 chain spaces we will make 1 single crochet. Okay, single crochet. Now again in the next 3 chain space make 7 double crochet, then single crochet and continue it, and I will see you at the end of this row. All right everyone, as you can see I have made the 7 double crochets and the single crochet, and we've got this nice twisty beautiful design of the petals, rose petals, and I am almost at the end. So I am going to make, these are the 7 double crochets. Now last single crochet and 7 double crochets are supposed to go into this. So I'll show you how to wrap this up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one, instead of making in this, we will make it in the last, in this stitch here. Okay, so 7th will go in the stitch, so that we can finish nicely. Okay, so this gives us our full chain. Now I will just make a slip knot and leave a longer tail because you'll have to stitch you'll have to stitch it in, okay, and snip it off and detach, secure it nicely. Now we have two ways to fold this into a rose. You can see that already our petals are curving a little inside, okay, so you can either fold this with the with all the petals curling inside, or you can fold this with all the petals curling towards the outside, okay. They both will give different look. So these two I have done with the petals curling outside. This one for you I'm going to make with the petals curling inside to see how it looks, okay. So just keep this level and keep rotating your petals. You can space them out differently and you can achieve a different look. So I like to do it like this, just go round and round and round and see how different the look of curling it in with the curls inside to as compared to the curls outside, okay. Whichever way you like, you can make it. Now all you have to do is to sew these loose ends in. So we will take our tapestry needle and we will take our thread here, and what I like to do is, there is no hard and fast rule, but what you can do it anyway, any which ways. What I like to do is take this in and first sew it along the rim here, which will give you a kind of an even finish, okay. So now all that is left is take from one end with all these rows, push your needle through and through, taking all the rows in your stitch, okay, like so. And now turn a little and again onto the other side, like this, turn a little and again taking all the layers together and onto the other side. And this is how we can secure our project nice and tight. As you can see now, these two we can just tie together and your rose is ready. The inward curl rose and the outward curl. Whichever you like, you can make it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you're practicing your stitches and in making these lovely projects with us, small little projects. These are all very, very beginner friendly. So if you're new to crochet, please grab your yarn and your hook and crochet along. Thank you so much for joining. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much.